Let's start with the elephant in the room. Many people hear the word carbohydrates and immediately panic. We often label them as the enemy of a healthy diet, blaming them for weight gain. But if we were to strip them from our plates entirely, our biology would struggle. Our brains depend on them to think clearly, and our muscles need them to execute every move we make. To understand them, we look at how they're built. Every carb is constructed from 3 basic ingredients: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. You can think of these molecules as energy blocks, the basic units of fuel for your body. The secret is that these blocks can be stacked in different ways. Some are loose and easy to use, while others are built into dense structures that take time to take apart. Understanding nutrition isn't about avoiding these blocks, but about recognizing how their different shapes determine how you'll feel throughout the day. The simplest versions are single-unit sugars, like glucose or the fructose found in fruit. These are individual, isolated energy blocks. Because they are single units, your body doesn't break them down. They pass directly into your blood, giving your brain an instant energy spike. Then we have double-block sugars, like sucrose or lactose. This happens when 2 blocks snap together. Your body can't use them as is. It sends a tool to sever the link, turning them back into single units for fuel. That extra step takes a tiny bit of effort, but both the single and double blocks are considered simple sugars because they provide energy almost immediately. You can think of these simple sugars like a fast-charging cable. They are great for a quick emergency boost, but they aren't designed for long-term power. For sustained power, we have complex chains, like starch, where hundreds of blocks interlock into a massive network. Because it's tightly bound, your body dismantles it slowly, piece by piece, releasing a steady stream of energy blocks. This graph shows how slow dismantling prevents a sugar crash. Instead of a spike, you get a long, steady curve of energy. This is why oats keep you going much longer than a donut. If you have more energy blocks than you need right now, your body bundles them up into a storage chain called glycogen, which is packed away in your liver and muscles. Think of this as your biological backup battery. Your body keeps these bundles locked away until you face a sudden burst of activity or emergency. By choosing these complex structures, you are making a biological investment, putting energy into your internal vault for when you really need it. In nature, these blocks do more than just provide fuel. In plants, they are used to build armor. Plants use a tough structural chain called cellulose to build their cell walls. It's essentially a fiber skeleton made of the same energy blocks, but stacked like rigid bricks to give the plant its strength. When we look at our own meals, we see this same logic. A candy bar offers a quick, single-block surge, while a bowl of whole grains provides a complex network that lasts for hours. Simple blocks are for immediate needs. Complex chains are for the long haul. Neither is a villain. They just serve different purposes for your metabolism. Every time you eat, you aren't just counting calories. You are choosing the specific architectural blocks that will set the pace